To add a virtual instrument track, we can create another empty project. As per usual, it brings this option, so we'll select here, software instrument, and create. Now, because it is a software instrument and it's part of the program, we don't need to select what the input is because we just control it through our keyboard or our MIDI system. So the only thing we have to select is the sound output. So in my case, I've got my speakers for that, and create. So what it's done, it's automatically given us an electric piano track and also a keyboard with which to start making some music. So firstly, you can see here it's got some letters of your keyboard on there, so you know which buttons are going to make which sound. Now to hide or display this window, you can do that through the window option here. So we can hide musical typing, or go back to window, show musical typing. And firstly, you've got the option of pressing these keys between A and L. Also, you can move them up and down sort of octaves if you want to play higher notes or lower notes. So if we've got it selected there, we press an A. Get that, or somewhere in the middle. Sounds beautiful. So that's the way to use your actual typing keyboard to input the music. The other way you can do it is hide that, and it literally shows a keyboard and you can just press the notes you want. So you can... And again, you can adjust whereabouts on the keyboard you want to be inputting the music from. And from this window here, we can alternate between the two different keyboard types just by pressing up here. Also, you can input this data with a MIDI controller, whether it be a MIDI keyboard or some other sort of MIDI device, but that'll be in a separate tutorial. So for today, we'll just focus on the Apple keyboards here. Now, there's a whole range of sounds you can control in this fashion. So you've got guitars, you've got drums, basses, orchestral things, synthesizers, electric pianos, arpeggiators, which are interesting. And even things like guitars. And that's how you muck around with virtual instruments, and then you just record them as you would like to. And in future, there'll be a lot more tutorials around how to edit this MIDI data, and you can change your instruments on the same thing and just have it play the same stuff. I hope you enjoyed this GarageBand tutorial. Head over to justclickrecord.com for more tutorials and sign up for the email list.